been thinking about sending photos, film, or video off to Legacybox for digitization? Let me help you think twice about that, because I think there's a better way to save family memories and a family legacy. Legacybox has had its fair share of bad press, but I think those reviews miss something bigger. When you send photos or film and video off to an online company like that, you are going to possibly end up with a disjointed set of memories and a false sense of security. Will you even know what to do with them when the memories come back on the USB drive or the download link they send you? And years from now, will you even remember what you did with those digital files? It's time to think of a new solution, one where you can easily enjoy and share your memories while knowing they are preserved for generations to come. It's called a photo estate. I'm Molly Bartelt and I own Pixology, where we've been organizing and preserving family memories for going on 10 years. If you are intrigued by learning new ways and better ways to manage your family photos and videos and more, you're going to want to hit the subscribe button so that you can be alerted to when we upload new videos, which is like once a week or so. Legacybox and other online companies similar to it are bulk processing centers where people send off their memories and eventually will get back a USB drive or a digital download. They've been around for quite some time. Now, photo estate services is somewhat of a new term. It evolved out of the photo organizing field, and the words photo estate help consumers have more of a concrete vision of what their photo collection could be. We've got a definition here at Pixology. It is a printed or digital collection of photos, film, video, documents, and memorabilia organized and curated in a manner that allows others to view them, learn about the lives documented, and be impacted by the legacy of those people that came before. Be sure to stay to the end because I've got a great opportunity for you to learn more about creating your own photo estate. All right, let's start comparing Legacybox services to photo estate services. I think there are 4 categories we're going to look at: organization, digitization quality, preservation, and cost. Organization is important because when you're looking for a memory, you want to be able to click a few times and get to it versus scanning, through a long list of pictures or trying to find which USB drive or website that the photo is stored on. Legacybox will scan or transfer your media in the order that you label it when you send it back to them. If you have a pile like this, they're going to just scan it into a digital folder, and you'll have to sort it out later if you ever even come back to it. And that's what I mean by disjointed. You send off batches to Legacybox here and there, and then 2 years later you might come across other photos that you probably should have incorporated into the first batch, and now it's disjointed. With photo estate services, your pictures as well as your video and film are organized into neat batches that are then scanned and put into folders by batch, and they're labeled neatly so you know what you're looking at. During the organization process, photo estate planners learn about your family, what was important to them, the generations that go back, the dates. They get that all together so that when your collection is organized and curated, you literally can go to the 1940s and get pictures here, or the 1970s to find your parents' wedding. It's all there for you, and it's great. You receive personal support during the photo organization process to make sure that your memories are organized the way you expect them to be. In terms of digitization quality, this is an area where Legacybox seems to fall a little short. First of all, the only communication that you are going to get from Legacybox are automated emails as your project goes through their system. They scan their photos at 300 dots per inch, and the video files, from your tapes and your film seem to be smaller than other places that I've seen on the internet as well as locally. And photo estate services are generally provided by small businesses like ours, and we care much more about the personal interaction and making sure that you understand what you're getting. So, for instance, one of our clients sent off photo album pages to Legacybox for scanning. And it seems that Legacybox just scanned the whole page and left the plastic on, and that produced a really poor quality image. And they didn't even bother asking the client, if that's what they wanted. When photo album pages come to us, we ask, can we take the plastic off? Can we just take them out of those yucky albums anyway? And sometimes we do need to scan the whole page and then save the images separately, but we want to make sure that you're going to really enjoy looking at the memories in the best quality possible. You are in the best place to see other examples of Legacybox's quality. Here on YouTube, just search for Legacybox reviews and see what you find. Preservation is the next area I want to talk about. I hope that you're looking at these photos and the moments that are on your tape and film as like priceless things to treasure. Preservation is really important, and knowing what to do with your digital files when you get them back and how to save them is really important. Legacybox sends you your USB drive or your link to download your files and leaves you to figure it all out. In addition, they do offer backup services, but you pay monthly for it, and it's really vague in their terms about how long this would even be saved up in their cloud services. With Photo Estate Services, we make sure you know how to back up your digitized files and how to check the backups. In addition, we recommend permanent photo storage, which you can learn more by clicking the link there. It's so important when you put in the work to preserve your family memories that, of course, you can enjoy them today and share them with your friends and family, but also in 5 or 10 years that you know exactly where to go to look at it all again. I've seen people who have their items digitized and then the USB drives just sit in the drawer, not looked at for months or years, and then when they actually want to use those at a family reunion, they can't find them. Photo estate planners really want to make sure that you have the right tools to save your memories and enjoy them, and we provide education to do that. It's kind of like future-proofing your memories. So 10 years ago, people who sent their videos and whatnot off to Legacybox, they got their photos back on a disc. Now today, most people don't even have computers with a disk drive, and with streaming becoming so common, those disks become obsolete, and now the memories have to be transferred off of there. Photo estate planners make sure that you know how you are going to be able to watch that stuff in the future. Photo estate planners leave you with a plan so that you can enjoy these memories no matter how technology will change in the future. All right, I have to ask, does cost matter to you? Yes or no? Put a comment below. I ask about cost because, of course, the online companies can offer very reduced rates on their digitization services. Legacybox offers many sales, and if you're less concerned with the quality and the long-term outcome of your digitized memories, they may be an option for you. With Photo Estate Services, I'm not going to lie, there's so many moving parts when bringing a photo collection together, along with the different media types, and sometimes there's generations of photos to deal with. We charge around $3,000 for a photo estate package that includes up to 3,000 photos. That's an investment, a chunk of money for sure. And that's why we're so passionate about sharing our system with our audience. Do you like the idea of creating a photo estate, but you need to know more? I'm going to tell you in just a second. First though, has this information been helpful at all? If so, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Now, I am excited to tell you about a training that we have coming up on July 24th, 2023. I've got a link below to register for it. And if you're watching this later after the date, the link will go to a recording of the event. We are teaching our 10-point checklist to creating a photo estate, and we'll answer questions, share our system, and help you get started on saving your memories. So bottom line, Legacybox or Photo Estate Services, ultimately it's going to be up to you to decide how to proceed. I'd love for you to watch JC's story. Watch this video next to learn how her family's photo estate came together. That's it for now. Thank you so much. We'll see you the next time.